Hi guys, Nick from HiFi Collective here. Just going to go and do a quick run through of all the new products we've had in recently. We'll start off with Juland. You may be aware that Juland make a series of silver foil, flat silver foil in silk and oil wrap. So they're now offering the same kind of version. So this one is version 3, which is 6mm diameter, 0.3 thick, so that's pure silver foil. For those that don't want it covered, it's obviously a bit cheaper than the actual full version 3. And then we've got the version 2, which is 4.6mm diameter, width, and 0.3mm thick. So there you go. So you could use that for anything, interconnects, speaker cable. Obviously it will need to be insulated. Not advisable to use it with power stuff because you know, unless you get it insulated properly. But we can't kind of obviously promote that. Next one is staying with Juland. They've come up with the Cast PP audio cap. So these are rated at 250 volt, ideally suited for kind of crossover use. You've got, basically it's a polypropylene cap, hence PP, and it's stuck in their cast kind of compound with the standard can, like that. So that's just the standard PP cast version, and this is the Cast PP silver version, which is basically a polypropylene dielectric sprayed with some silver content. So that's what they use for dielectric on that. That's the PP silver hybrid. So the ranges are 1 UF to 33 UF on those. We've got pretty good stocks of that, and they're quite cheap actually for Juland, so definitely worth a look. So that's those guys. We have done a kit. This is a loudspeaker kit number 5. So it uses the FOL.CU 17 times 0.07. That's a Mundorf copper foil. Obviously we sell it uninsulated, so you have to use kind of we've used here an insulator of copper. Sorry, it's cotton, so 10-11. And then terminated with some CMC, which one is it? It's the CMC 0628. So this is the pure version, but you can use the silver version if you wanted to, or even the gold-plated version. So that's quite a low-cost kit for what it is, so that's there. I've read about that. We've done a video on this as well for how to make it up. Very important that you watch the video to work out how to do the actual termination there. So that's that. So Neotech are getting on the cotton-sleeved wire, so using their UPOCC multi-strand copper, as you can see there, and this sleeves it with cotton. So it's available. There's 3 different gauges, so you've got 20, 22 and 24, so 3 different colours signifying the different gauges. So that's pretty popular already, that. So that's there. And then finally we have a new breed of cap from Clarity Cap. So they're calling this the Clarity Cap Purity Range, PUR. So there's 2 voltage ratings on this. There's a 250 volt and the 800 volt. So we're carrying the 0.1 UF to 1 UF on the 800 volt version, and for the 250 volt version, ideally suited for kind of loudspeaker crossover use, we are carrying, what range is it? 1 UF to 47 UF. These are very similar to CSAs. The only difference is they've got a new technology for the termination of the actual lead out, and they called it the Copper Connect TM technology. So effectively, when we last visited Clarity Cap, I saw them being made. So it's like imagine a sugar cube 10mm cube, but it's a copper mesh. So they use that for the termination. Hopefully that's not a trade secret, because it isn't anymore, because I've just said it. Anyway, there's our range of bits and bobs. Always on the lookout for new stuff. Oh, let me just whet your appetites for something else. Stay there. I don't know if you've heard of Bartola valve bases. We have got a load of these coming in. They're super expensive, but super sexy. I'm not sure of the timeline. Timelines are a bit of a problem these days. Nobody seems to worry about things anymore. They're ready when they're ready. So these will be available when they're available. Pretty soon, hopefully. Take it easy. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to subscribe and check out all our other social media channels.